Good evening, friends. Myself P. Kumar from Fortera India Private Limited. I welcome you all and in this session. In this series, we are covering various topics which has been raised by our user for clarification. So earlier we have covered trial and demo, data feed, login, and dashboard and screeners. Now, in this series, we are covering charts and control. Means the chart of the script and whatever controls are available in that chart. Right. Yeah. So here I have opened a chart of Nifty. This is the script, and here I have opened it. See, first of all, we will see what all controls are available with us. See, when you will over the mouse over any of the price point candle, you will be getting in extreme left corner, you will be getting these data, right? Opening, high, low, close, normal things, right? Here, time frame, we are covered only 5-minute time frame. We have not covered any sort of positional entries. So current version is only meant for intraday activity. No positional has been considered here, right? And only 5 minutes time frame. These are the buttons, tooltips are there. Refresh chart, zoom plus, zoom minus, vertical zoom plus, vertical zoom minus. This is the help file which you have already seen. Now comes, this is the control panel. Here all the controls which are available in the software can be monitored through this particular checkbox, right? So we'll check on. Here we are having swing triggers, means triggers which all major triggers, counter triggers and bullet triggers, all will be displayed by the checking this point. Targets on major triggers, targets on corner, see targets are there. These are clear major trend target lines, counter target lines, clearance and bullet target lines clearance. This button is meant for clearing all the target lines, right? Here, show all counter triggers. This is the checkbox which we have given. So, what happens? Normally, when major trigger is saying, say, positive direction, if this is unchecked, then only opposite counter trends will be covered. Means major trend is positive, then we will be covering opposite, say, downside counter trigger. And if this is there, then check, then all the counter triggers will cover. Historical data, it means all the past levels will be drawn or past periods also. Levels, these are the levels we are providing. These are very, very accurate levels and simply you can play on these levels. Price bands, these are 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 60-minute time frame. All these are is superimposed over this point, this chart. Then GAN level. See, these GAN levels are totally not available in the market anywhere. These are proprietary to our company and very accurate. These are the pivots, GAN pivots, GAN reversal level. At this point, price will reverse. It will reverse when it approaches towards the reversal point. 99% of the cases, price will take a bounce back at first point. then only it will move ahead. So these lines are very important. And once again, I'm saying these are not available anywhere in the market. These are proprietary to our company and very well, very accurate, right? Then demand zones and supply zones. Since we are using 5-minute time frame, we can apply 15-minute time frame for demand zone, 60-minute time frame, daily time frame, weekly and monthly. These are for your reference purpose, noting down the levels, that's all. But major usage will be of 15-minute time frame and only 15-minute time frame, demand zone and supply zone. These are dynamic level. At runtime, it will be displayed. Whenever a new demand zone has been developed, new line will be displayed. And whenever any demand zone has, your supply zone has been broken, then again these will be reworked and displayed. So demand zone and supply zones are also very important. Next is data settings. Normally, we allow up to 60 days data, but pre-configured to 5 days. Projected data means projected moves which we are with the software has derived. Projected move of next 7 days max to max we can work out. But currently it is configured for 1 day. This low configuration is because since entire process is very much data intensive, and if we increase the sample days, then in that condition processing time will be more, chart will become jerky. So it is only for analysis purpose. For real time purpose, keep it at default level. Don't enhance it, right? So these are the basic control which we are having. These are the timers, which is mentioning your system time. So always ensure that your system time is properly configured with internet time. So timing is very accurate. If timing gets disturbed, your triggers will be disturbed, your candles will be disturbed. So kindly ensure that your timings are very much accurate, right? So I think control part is only this much, and we have covered almost all. And ensure one more thing I would like to tell, that uh, this is a not a charting platform, so don't expect any sort of charting facilities here. Whatever you will get, it will be a pre-configured settings. You don't have. It is a platform to project the move of further 7 days. It is not any sort of charting software. So please be very clear about this part. This is a platform to facilitate your trade through this leading indicator, right? So don't get confused that it is not giving any charting facilities. It is not, because this is meant for a different purpose, right? So I think I have covered all the controls here. Now I think we have covered all part of chart and controls. So I think we should move on to next series. Thank you all for being with us. We shall be meeting in our next session. Thank you.